Hi, my name is Jason Earnshaw and I'd like to introduce the Red Pill series because with work with Microsoft Business Applications we are constantly needing to keep on top of the direction that Microsoft are taking us. Now, some of those changes are small, but we're trying to keep on top of everything that's changing in D365 and the three powers of the platform, that being Power BI, Automate and Apps. That can be overwhelming for the best of us. Now, a lot of us love D365, but we need to be completely unplugged from just seeing the D365 world, because guess what? There's a damn sight more to it than just that. So when I was reading and learning more about the Power Platform, I was feeling I was becoming more and more unplugged from essentially what I've been doing for years. So as we go through this change process and effectively retrain our minds, it reminded me a little bit of the Matrix film, where we have to decide whether we take the blue pill and go back to our normal lives, which in this case is the D365 world, and ignore everything about the Power Platform, or take the red pill and truly understand what the Power Platform is and what it can do for your organisation. So, just for a bit of fun and an introduction to the Red Pill series that I'm going to produce, let's break down the blue pill, red pill scene from the Matrix movie and see if you can see some similarities that I was thinking.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Do you want to know what it is? Because the Power Platform is everywhere, especially in the Microsoft Business Applications ecosystem anyway. Now, it might not be at your church. You never know, actually, thinking about it. Somebody might have designed an app to track how much money people are giving at the church. I've seen stranger apps out there for sure. But looking at some recent Microsoft stats, I was staggered to see that over 28,000 apps have been created, with nearly 200 new apps being created every single month. Now that's impressive.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave, Neo. Like everyone else, you were born into bondage, born into a prison that you cannot smell or taste or touch. A prison for your mind.
Now for me, that prison for my mind is Dynamics 365 CE or CRM or for sales or whatever you want to call it. That Microsoft built it or rebuilt it as a world to blind us from the truth on what it actually is. And that is, it's just another Power App built on top of the Common Data Service with tons and tons of functionality and features that you can switch on today and start using tomorrow.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself. This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back.
Thankfully, people can be told what the Power Platform is, but Morpheus is right. There is no turning back. Once you take that red pill, you will see the Power Platform in a completely different light and you'll be unplugged from the D365 Matrix forever.
You take the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill. You stay in Wonderland. And I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
If you decide to take the blue pill, then that is fine. Continue on your D365 journey because there's nothing wrong with that. It's a brilliant app. But if you want to take the red pill or purple pill if you want to keep with the Microsoft branding for Power Apps, then join me in this series and I will show you the way to understand about the Power Platform and everything to do with your customer data differently.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Remember, I'm only sharing with you the truth about where D365 now sits within this larger Microsoft Power Platform in this Red Pill series. Nothing more. It's then for you to decide what role the Power Platform can play in your organisation outside of this D365 matrix for you, your business users and the customers that you serve. So you could actually say that Microsoft is the Oracle. I think quite a few people might have an issue with that. So let's start unplugging as many of you as possible from the D365 matrix and take that red pill. See you in the next video. Oh, it's one of them blood flavoured ones.